Today I want to present you the Wacaco Minipresso GR travel coffee machine. This is the model that works with ground coffee. There is also another model with capsules. We can use it when we travel and have no electricity, or even at the office if we don't like the coffee there. Thanks to the pressure of 8 bars, it prepares a real espresso with cream and a delicious taste. Let's open the box and see what we find in it. The device is in a case. In this envelope we find a warranty card, 2 stickers, and a user manual. I'm going to take the mini espresso out. It looks very nice. This is the piston. We turn it to the left to open it. It is about 170 centimeters long. We will take it apart. This is the espresso cup. Next we have the outlet head. Then we have the filter element. Minipresso body. Below we have the water container. We also have a coffee measure and a brush. The Minipresso travel coffee maker is made of durable, BPA-free plastic. The portafilter is made of stainless steel. Its weight is 360 grams and the water tank has 70 milliliters. We will also make a coffee to see how it tastes. These are the elements we need. We will put a measure of coffee in the filter and press it, then place it in the outlet head and thread the body of the espresso machine. We will also put the lid on, but I will not use it now because I will make the coffee in a glass. I will put hot water in this container. It is mounted by pressing. Take care that it is mounted well, otherwise you will fry if the water leaks. I will open the piston and start pumping. The first 6 pumps are empty. Then the coffee starts to come out. You have to pump until nothing flows. That's how you know it's ready. Now the piston is empty. So much coffee came out, it smells very good. I'm going to add milk because I can't drink it otherwise. It tastes very good. I didn't expect it. It's not watery at all. It is as good as my DeLonghi device, which is 7 times more expensive than this one. This device is very cool. If you liked it too, don't forget to like, and until next time, enjoy the coffee.